Okay guys, so here's the finished makeup look. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm really excited because I got this new NYX foundation. It's a collaboration with one of my favorite YouTubers, Alissa Ashley. She collaborated with NYX and they released 45 shades of this mattifying foundation. It's called Can't Stop, Won't Stop. It's full coverage, 24-hour wear, so it says. Anyway, I was excited about this foundation because first of all, I was already in the market for a foundation. Currently, I'm using Lancome's Ton Idole, and that foundation is pricey, so it would be nice to have a less expensive alternative, especially for everyday wear. If I'm going to be using it so often, it's nice that I wouldn't have to spend a lot more money on it, and then maybe I could save my more expensive foundations for a special occasion. Or if this one is that good, maybe I can totally get rid of my expensive foundations and only purchase this one. But like anything else, you have a lot of foundations to choose from for different occasions. So anyway, I'm gonna try this one and see how I think of it, and I'll let you guys know. I got this foundation from Ulta, and while I was in there, they were doing a promotion on all NYX products. Buy one, get one 50% off. And if this video goes up in time and they're still doing the promotion, I suggest you guys go and check it out, because it's a good time to try new products when they're doing promotions. Then you don't feel like you're spending any extra money on anything you're not sure how it's gonna work. So they released 45 shades in this foundation. I thought that was really great because, especially for an affordably priced foundation or a drugstore foundation, is what a lot of people would, it is a drugstore brand, I guess. With 45 shades for a drugstore foundation, that's pretty amazing if you think about it, because a lot of these brands, I mean, like L'Oreal, they have a really good shade range for their foundations, but basically you don't get a lot of variety with drugstore foundations. You just don't. So it was really good to see an affordably priced foundation come in so many shades. Secondly, Alissa Ashley, I mean, before I even tried this foundation, the collaboration with Alissa Ashley really pushed me to try it, because first of all, she's one of my favorite YouTubers. And second of all, if you watch her videos, she really understands. I guess I can relate to her because I'm always looking for yellow undertone foundations, golden kind of undertone foundations. And I don't know, she's just somebody who gets it. So I knew she would come out with great foundations. So it claims to be 24-hour wearing. I mean, I'm not gonna wear it for 24 hours. I don't wear any makeup for 24 hours, but I will test it for a full day wear, maybe like 8 hours. We'll see when I check back in what time it is. So right now it's 1:56, and I'm gonna be applying this foundation, and then I'll check back in a few hours and let you guys know how I feel about it. So it claims to be 24-hour wearing, and it's a matte finish. I have oily skin, and I do look for matte finish foundations, but lately I don't know how matte this is gonna be, because I don't want like super dry looking matte. I want more of like a natural matte. So again, we'll have to see how it looks once I apply it. And then, like I said, they were doing the buy one NYX product, get the other one 50% off. So I got this dark circle corrector that I'm gonna try with the foundation. Now I'm always looking for ways to correct my dark spots, like to brighten under my eyes. If I have any blemishes, they leave dark spots. You can see some here by my mouth, on my cheeks. So I'm always looking for ways to cover that up. If you use a dark spot corrector, the idea behind it is that you'll be able to use less of your other products, like less foundation, less concealer, all those kind of things. So we'll see how that works. So I'm gonna try it. First, I'm gonna start with the corrector. It came in 3 shades. I think it came in a light, a medium, and then a deep or a dark or something like that. So I got the middle one. I figured that would work best for me. All right, so first of all, I really like how they package this this corrector, because a lot of times when you buy things from the drugstore, they're not really sealed really well. So you don't even know, some people will open this up and then dip in and try to try it, because a lot of times drugstore stuff doesn't have testers and, you know, ones you could try out before you buy. So they had this like sealed up. I just took this little plastic tab off. I think that's great, first of all. So the packaging is really good. The kind of moisturizer that I wear for the daytime is a mattifying moisturizer with an SPF. Now, if this foundation is super matte, then I don't know that I'm gonna like it with the mattifying foundation. So I might have to try it a different way. We'll see. Okay, so first the corrector. I don't know if I got the right shade. Maybe I should try one shade darker. Right now, I don't notice the difference. Sometimes after I do my makeup, I go outside and I look at it, I might, you know, I have a different opinion about something. But right now, I don't feel like I noticed a crazy difference from when I would just go right in with my foundation with no corrector at all. But if the consistency is really nice, it's really creamy. It is creasing a little bit, but I don't have any concealer. I didn't set anything. I only put the foundation over it. So as far as the texture, it's really comfortable to wear. I didn't feel like I had anything on my face when I put it on. And I think it looks good under the foundation, you know, but right now I think it's too early for me to tell. I don't know. Like I said, didn't notice any immediate differences. Now for the foundation, again, I still don't feel like I have anything on my face. I think I did get a good color. When I was picking out the foundation, there were a lot of colors to choose from, so that's a good problem to have, but I know the undertones were all different. This one actually said it has neutral undertones, which is interesting because I go for a more yellow golden kind of an undertone when I'm looking for foundations, which is funny because the name of this foundation, the color I have is golden. So I don't know if I'm clear on the description of the undertones. It seemed like a lot of them were neutral when I was looking at them. Maybe I need to do more research on that, but as far as I know, right now when I was looking at the foundations, I saw a lot of neutral undertone ones. But it feels really comfortable. I mean, it did a good job with mattifying. I look good. I have a dry patch right here. My skin has been really dry lately. So it did emphasize that, but it's a mattifying foundation, so it makes sense that it would. So I would just moisturize a little extra in these spots. Exfoliant might help with that. But right now it looks good. So I'm gonna apply concealer, the rest of my makeup, and then we'll see how it goes. Okay guys, so here's the finished makeup look. I also did a video on how I apply these false lashes, so check that out. But as far as the foundation goes, so far so good. I really like it. It is really matte, so if you're not into matte foundation, you probably won't like this. It's not for dry skin people. I say it's for oily skin people. I kind of feel like, I'm not sure if I'd like this for every day. I'll have to wear it to have like a final decision. Maybe I'll do an update and check back with you guys to let you know my final thoughts. But right now it looks really good to me. I'd keep it, I'd wear it again. I think it looks pretty flawless. I mean, let me know what you think. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know if you've already tried it too. I want to know how other people think about it if you already have it. Are you gonna go out and get it? Let me know. All right, so I'll see you guys later. Hi guys, I'm back with my check-in. It's 9:47, so it's been somewhere around the 8-hour mark, give or take. I think I applied it around 2 o'clock, I'm not sure, but I did quite a few things in between the time that I applied this foundation and now. I filmed a couple videos. I was outside. I did a lookbook actually, which you can look out for, but I was late. I had on layers and I was outside. It was hot. I was in and out, moving around a lot. And I think the foundation held up really well. I was sweating. The only thing I did do was just like blot with my beauty blender. I didn't even do anything. I didn't do anything else. I didn't apply any powders, any other touch-up products. The only thing I would say about this foundation that has happened was that it settled into my smile lines, which always happens. I've never had a foundation that didn't do that. So I don't necessarily feel like it's a negative thing. And then I noticed that it broke up around my nose only on the right side. But when I pressed it out with my beauty blender, it blended out well. And then you can't even tell anymore. So that might have just been a fluke as well. So we'll see. I'm gonna have to play around with it to make sure that that's not gonna happen again as far as it breaking up around my nose, because I've never had that problem before. Everything else looks good. I mean, you can let me know in the comments what you think about it, but I really like it. I'm gonna keep it, and I'm gonna try it with a different primer to see if anything changes as far as that. I'm gonna try it with a different primer to see if that has any effect on it. Now, as far as the NYX corrector, I don't think I'm gonna keep it, and I wouldn't recommend it. I don't feel like it really did anything for me. Maybe I needed to try a different shade. I don't think I needed to go lighter. Maybe I needed to go for the darker shade. I don't really know how that would have helped me, but the one that I got didn't do anything for me. It didn't really brighten up under my eyes. I don't see any of my blemishes coming through or any of my dark spots on my face, but I really feel like that was just the power of the foundation. I think the foundation was really good and it gave great coverage. So those are my thoughts, guys. I'll link everything I use in this video in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Also, I'm growing my Instagram for my channel. You can interact with me more in real time there. So obviously in between uploads, you can catch me on my Instagram. And let me know what you guys think. I'd love to hear from you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.